Hello everyone, good morning. Once again, welcome to you, our YouTube channel. This is a class 9 CBSC, chapter first from the book Behave, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. This story we shall read is set in the future when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? Means that whenever in the future time the schools will not available, the students are busy to reading or getting education through the computer, a telebook and a virtual classroom. So what would happen if the school will not present in the future times? This is a completely imagination at least 100 up to 150 years from now. So here in the pictures we would finally set up behind it like learning through computers, virtual classrooms, moving e-text and a robotic teacher. In the future time, after 140 years later, there will not a manual teacher who taught the students, because it is a only imaginative story completely based on the reality of the world. So student, now let us see the text. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary, and the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, today Tommy found a real book. Means Margie is the main character of the story. She is a girl of 11 years of age. She writes a diary on the night of 17th May 2157. It means 140 years from now. At that time, Margie writes an entry in her diary and she writes that Tommy found a real book, and she is feeling so intense because in her times real book don't exist. They only have e-books, not a printed books, copies or anything. The students are uh, used to the virtual books. So books in the format of print and paper are extinct, and so Margie is astonished to see a real book, because this is a types of a historical event. The story is completely based on the science fictions. What would happen after 150 years later? There will be not any schools, not any paper, then what would happen? So it is only a imaginative story. Now it was a very old book. Margie grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on a paper. It means that Margie uh, told to Tommy that once his grandfather told her that all the students are studied all the books that were printed on a paper. So this kind of a book is historical or ancient for them, something which they cannot believe, they cannot imagine, because what would happen after 100 or 150 years later if there will be not any book, not any types of a paper which are completely on it printed. So they turned the pages which have yellow and crinky, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. You know, crinky means होता है with many folds or lines, something that is a cross. It means that Margie is talking about the book that Tommy had found. She sees that the pages of the book had turned yellow. It means that whenever the printed paper nowadays, whenever we used, it was completely yellow and they had been crushed and it was very old. The children found it very funny to read the words which stood still. Now what does it mean by that? Words that stood still, the words were printed on the pages. It means that student, when the present times pages are completely distinct or crushed, but after 100 later there will be not present any books studies for the student. Students are busy for are getting education through the virtual classroom, e-text, telebook and a computer screen. So this is a very easy for them, but now this is easy for the person those who want to studies. So in ebooks, how it happened, the text keeps on moving as your screen moves, but it was different in the books printed on a paper. So Margie and Tommy was completely differentiate between the two era, modern times and the ancient time, because the story set in a 130 years later. Now, and then when they turn back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Means the modern times, the stories which is printed on paper, whenever we read it was completely differentiate. We create difficulties, but Tommy and Margie imagine that in 140 years later, not present any books studies for the are getting education through the students are completely a e-text, virtual classroom, computer screen, and a telebooks. This was a very strange experience for these children. When you have a book which is printed on paper, whenever you flip the pages, you to get to see the same thing written on the pages. On the other hand, in a book, textbooks, computer screen, telebook, changing on the screen is same. You have the same screen in front of you, but the text keeps on changing. So whenever you go back, the text is different. Means the Tommy here expresses that in 140 years later, whenever not present in book for the student to getting any education, it was completely differentiate. It was very easy. It was very good for them to getting the education. Guy said, Tommy, what a waste. Whenever you threw with the book, you just threw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it is good for plenty more. I would not throw it away. Guy said, Tommy, it means that Tommy disliked the printed books. He said that it was a waste because he felt that whenever you complete reading a book, you have to throw it away because it was completely crinky, roughness, crust, and not very easy to read it. You cannot have some different story written on the same books. On the contrary, he felt that computer screen was very good because the same screen had shown him many books and still he could read many more on it. He would not have to throw that screen away when once he had read a particular story. Means the student when just like here I expressed the ideas from this story, especially for the use of telebooks or a mobile. This is types of a computer only for the education for them who decided to get education through the computer, telebook, or a screen. It is a comparison between the two era things. In a present time nowadays, we have used books, copy, printed paper for getting education, but in the later, imagine 140 years later, not available for the students books, copies, or anything. They have get education through the computer screen, telebooks, virtual classroom, robotic teachers, and a moving e-text. Same with mine, said Margie, as she was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Margie agreed with Tommy opinion. She says that I was 11's of age and she has not read as many books as Tommy had because Tommy was older to Margie. He was 13 years of age. There is a differentiate between the age of Margie and Tommy. She was only 11 years old, but Tommy was 13 years of age. She said, where did you find it? She said, where did you find it? Margie asked Tommy that where had he found the printed book. It means that there is a book found by Tommy in his house. So she was surprised whenever first time they saw the printed books. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. Here attic or space just below the roof used as a storeroom. Attic means आप कह सकते हैं छज्जा या वरामदा जहाँ पे स्टोर रूप में जो है चीज़ों को सुरक्षित रखा जाता है। तो वहाँ पे उन्हें एक बड़ी पुरानी किताबें मिलती है, तो वे जान कर के बड़ा आश्चर्य में पड़ते हैं, क्योंकि 150 साल के बाद जो है जब आप ये चीज़ें नहीं रहेंगी, अचानक से कोई चीज़ आपको मिलेगी, बिल्कुल नया होगा, तो आप लोगों को बड़ा एक यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस होगा। उस एक्सपीरियंस को यहाँ पे शेयर किया जाता है। Tommy replied to Morgan that he found the printer book in the storeroom of his house. He was so busy reading the book that he did not remove his glance from the book. Tommy was very serious. They were very surprised to find any types of a book, because on that time they got education through the computer, virtual classroom, robotic class teacher, and everything. So, what is about school? Margie asked that what the book was about, means what is the relationship, what is including in this book. So Tommy said school. Tommy replied that the book was about school, after going to school, about the life at school. Margie was scornful. School? What there to write about school? I hate school. Scornful means contemptuous, showing you think something is worthless, or show your dislike from something, because always Margie against the school. She did not like to get education because she always hated the school. So Margie always hated the school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her a test in a geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. County inspector means a person who repair the computer. That times getting education through the computer, so a person present here in this story to repair the computer, because there is something error in the computer screen. What is Morgie's school? Morgie's school is a mechanical teacher. A mechanical teacher, that means the machine which teaches you, and not that school where will go. Now, why did Morgie hate school? Morgie's school was a virtual classroom. It was not a real school like we have today. बच्चों, जो मार्गी का जो स्कूल है वो वर्चुअल क्लासरूम है, वहाँ पे कोई टीचर्स, मैनुअल टीचर्स नहीं होते जो उन्हें पढ़ा सकें, उनके होमवर्क को चेक कर सकें। तो वैसे में उस ज़माने में, उस समय, आज से 150 साल बाद जो है बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए टीचर्स नहीं होंगे, बल्कि रोबोटिक टीचर होंगे, वर्चुअल क्लासरूम होगा, ई टेक्स्ट होगा, मूविंग क्लासरूम होगा। तो उसकी बात की जा रही है। सो इन द फ्यूचर वी आर थिंकिंग दैट द स्कूल्स विल बी वर्चुअल क्लासरूम, देयर विल बी अ मशीन दैट विल बी टीचिंग द चिल्ड्रेन. Margie hated this machine because it was giving her so many tests in geography which were very difficult for her, and she was performing very bad. It means that Margie performance always very dull because she did not like to study or getting the education through the computer or TV books. Finally, her mother thought that there was something wrong with the machine, and so she had called the county inspector to check it. It was a reason behind it. This is a reason behind it. Whenever Margie did not completed her homework or not completed the geography sector, then her mother decided to call a county inspector to check it. What happened? Our child was not get a education through the computer screen. So here a county inspector, he was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. Here a description of a county inspector, repaired person who repaired the computer. The county inspector came to check the mechanical teacher. A mechanical teacher means computer screen. He was a round little man and he had a red face. He was carrying a big box full of tools with dials and wires. The box of the county inspector was completely full of dials and wires or mechanical devices. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. So this man opened the machine. He was there to repair the computer. He also gave Margie an apple for eating. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Margie did not like to repair the machine very urgent because she doesn't like to read any lesson through the computer. So the part Margie was very hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her lesson when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. It means that Margie hated this mechanical teacher the most because she had to submit her homework and test paper to it. This is not only fault of Margie, but it is especially fault by the mechanical teacher. I mean a computer screen, because Margie had to write her homework and her test paper in a particular punch code, that is a computing language. She had turned the language at the age of 6. The machine checked the papers and calculated her mark in a few seconds. This is a special fault of the machine because the machine could not calculate the special questions answer of the Margie through the computer. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It is not the little girl's fault, Mr. Jones. I think the geographic sector was geared a little too quick." Student, this passage show the not actual fault of Margie. Geared means adjusted to a particular standard or a level. So the county inspector said that Margie was getting bad mark in geography because the machine was not working properly. It was geared to a higher level. कहने का मतलब है वह